Mark, I'm at the airport, and I'm scared to speak English.
Don't worry. The check-in desk is simple.
But what if they ask something I don't understand?
They usually ask the same simple questions.
Really? Like what?
How many bags? Window or aisle? Simple questions like that.
Oh, that's not so bad.
Today, we'll practice airport check-in English together, step by step.
Perfect. Let's do this.
I'm Mark.
And I'm Jessica. Welcome to Easy English with Kekemu.
Real English, not textbook English.
Today, we're learning how to check in for your flight in English.
Perfect for beginner English learners. Let's begin.
Quick question before we start.
Have you ever felt nervous at an airport check-in desk?
Tell us in the comments. Okay, first step. You arrive at the airport.
You need to find the check-in desk for your airline.
Airline means the company you fly with.
For example, Turkish Airlines or British Airways.
Look for the big screens. They show which desk to go to.
The screen shows your airline name and a desk number, like Desk A or Desk 12.
When you find the right desk, you join the queue.
Queue means a line of people waiting. You stand and wait your turn.
In America, people often say line. In Britain, people often say queue.
Good to know. Both are correct.
When it's your turn, walk to the desk and say hello.
Just say, hello, or hi, good morning.
Simple and friendly. That's all you need.
Now, the check-in agent will ask you some questions.
This is the part that scares me.
I understand. But listen, there are only 4 or 5 common questions.
Only 4 or 5?
Yes, they often ask the same questions. Let's hear them.
Listen to this check-in conversation.
Good morning. Passport and booking reference, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Where are you traveling to today?
To London.
Are you checking any bags?
Yes, 1 bag, please.
Please put it on the scale.
Of course.
That's fine. Window or aisle seat?
Window, please.
Perfect. Here's your boarding pass. Gate 14, boarding at 10:45.
Thank you so much.
Have a great flight.
See? That wasn't scary at all.
You did great, Jessica.
It really is just a few simple questions.
Exactly. Now, let's learn the key phrases.
Let's look at each question carefully.
Question 1. Passport and booking reference, please.
Booking reference means your ticket number. It is usually in your email confirmation.
Just take out your passport and show your phone with the booking email.
Easy. No long sentence needed. Just show them.
Question 2. Are you checking any bags?
Checking bags means giving your big suitcase to the airline.
If you have 1 big bag, say, yes, 1 bag, please.
If you only have a small bag, say, no, just hand luggage.
Hand luggage means the small bag you keep with you on the plane. Question 3. Please put it on the scale.
Scale means the machine that weighs your bag.
Just lift your bag and place it on the machine. No words needed.
This one is easy. Just lift and put.
Exactly. Question 4. Window or aisle seat?
This one confused me for a long time.
Window seat means you sit next to the window. You can see outside.
Aisle seat means you sit next to the walkway. It is easier to get up.
Just say, window, please, or aisle, please.
I always choose window. I love looking at the clouds.
I always choose aisle. I like to walk around. And finally, here's your boarding pass.
Boarding pass is your ticket to get on the plane.
It shows your seat number, gate number, and boarding time.
Gate means the place where you wait for your plane.
Keep your boarding pass safe. You need it to board.
But Mark, what if I don't understand something?
That's a great question. It happens to everyone.
Really? Even experienced travelers?
Yes, airports are noisy. Sometimes it's hard to hear.
So what do I say?
Just say, "Sorry, could you repeat that, please?"
Oh, I know that phrase.
Or you can say, "Sorry, I didn't catch that."
What does "I didn't catch that" mean?
It means, "I didn't hear or understand what you said."
Oh, catch means understand in this situation.
Exactly. Native speakers say this a lot.
So it's okay to ask them to repeat?
Always okay. Check-in agents help travelers every day.
That makes me feel so much better.
Let's learn a few more useful phrases for check-in.
If your bag is too heavy, the agent may say, "Your bag is overweight."
Overweight means too heavy, over the limit.
You can ask, "How much is the fee?"
Fee means extra money you need to pay.
If you want to ask about your seat, say, "Can I have a window seat?"
Or, "Can I have an aisle seat?"
Simple and useful.
Yes, simple English is enough.
And when you finish, always say, "Thank you so much."
A simple thank you makes everyone's day better.
Always be kind. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. Passport and booking reference, please. Yes, one bag, please. No, just hand luggage. Window, please. Aisle, please. Sorry, could you repeat that, please? I didn't catch that. Here's your boarding pass. Have a great flight.
Excellent practice. You're ready to check in.
That's airport check-in English. Now airports don't have to be scary.
Remember, they often ask the same questions every time.
And if you don't understand, just say, "Sorry, could you repeat that, please?"
Simple English is enough.
Next episode, Hotel English, checking in to your room.
Subscribe for more beginner English conversations.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye!